After 24 hours of incubation, as you can see, we have nothing grown on tube 1, which is expected. This was the donor alone, does not grow on streptomycin plus kanamycin. Of course, if we are multiple groups working in the same lab, we always have to label our petri dishes with our names and with the date. Tube 2 also, which is the recipient, nothing grow on streptomycin plus kanamycin. Now we come to the results of transconjugate. The tube number 3, the different dilutions, the colonies that has grown on streptomycin plus kanamycin. This is 10 to the power minus 1 dilution, I have heavy growth. 10 to the power minus 2, I have less growth. 10 to the power minus 3, I have a perfect colony petri dish to be counted. So the 3 of these petri dishes shows the transconjugate, and this is the best to be counted. So I will keep it aside and I will count it. Then for total number of recipient, I didn't bother with the higher concentrations because I will have more recipient in the dust tube than transconjugate. I started directly from 10 to the power minus 4. This is well spread petri dish. This is 10 to the power minus 5, easier to be counted. And minus 6, I have no colonies. So I will count the 10 to the power minus 5. I have counted already these colonies for you, and as you can see, the results are here on the board. The number of colonies of transconjugate was 67, so CFU of transconjugate is 67, divided by 10 to the power minus 2 times 0.1, which is 6.7 10 to the power 5 colony per ml. As for the recipient, they are on the dilution 10 to the power minus 5. So CFU is 38, 10 to the divided by 10 to the power minus 5 times 0.1. This was our plated amount, we chose it. So number of recipient is 3.8, 10 to the power 7 colonies per ml. Conjugation frequency is the CFU of transconjugate divided by the CFU of recipient. We divide these two numbers, we obtain 10 to the power, 1.7 10 to the power minus 2, which is a very acceptable conjugation frequency in the case of E. coli.